Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of messy kitchens, sliding bowls during mixing, or constantly dirtying extra cutting boards just to grate cheese or veggies, I've got something that's going to change your cooking game forever. Today, I'm diving deep into the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls with Airtight Lids Set. This 8-piece stainless steel khaki nesting bowls set with grater attachments. Guys, this isn't just another bowl set. It's a total kitchen upgrade that solves so many everyday frustrations. Picture this. You're prepping dinner, and instead of grating carrots all over your counter or chasing a slippery bowl around while whisking, everything stays put and contained. That's exactly what these bowls deliver. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let me walk you through why this set blew me away after weeks of heavy use. First off, the build quality is premium. Food-grade stainless steel with a mirrored interior that's super easy to clean and a brushed, matte khaki exterior that's dent-resistant and rust-proof. They look elegant on the counter too, not your basic silver bowls. The real stars? Those three grater attachments: coarse shredding, fine grating, and slicing. They snap right onto the bowl. Specifically, the 3.5-quart one works great for this, so you shred cheese, zucchini, or potatoes directly into the bowl. No mess on the counter, no extra cutting board to wash. It's a game changer for salads, tacos, or baking prep. Less cleanup means more time enjoying your food. Then there's the non-slip silicone bottoms. These things grip your countertop like glue, even when you're vigorously whisking batter or kneading dough. No more bowls sliding across marble or quartz and scratching surfaces. The silicone is durable, won't wear out quickly, and protects your counters. Sizes are perfect. 5-quart for big batches like dough or salads. For quart, 3.5-quart. Ideal for grating with attachments. 2-quart and 1.5-quart for smaller tasks. Each has clear quart labels, so you grab the right one fast. They nest beautifully for compact storage. Slides right into your cabinet without taking up half your space. Airtight BPA-free lids are a lifesaver. They seal tight to keep leftovers fresh longer. No spills in the fridge, no odors escaping. The 4-quart has that clever removable inner lid section, so you can add ingredients or even blend directly without popping the whole lid off and risking splashes. Genius. And cleanup? Dishwasher-safe bowls. Mirrored finish shines like new, though hand wash the lids to avoid any warping from heat if you're someone who cooks regularly. Whether you're a busy home cook, meal prepper, or love baking, these solve real problems. Messy grating, unstable bowls, fridge spills, cluttered cabinets that I've used them for everything from shredding cheese for tacos to mixing pancake batter to storing overnight oats. Zero regrets. They're durable, practical, and make cooking more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and say goodbye to those annoying little frustrations, don't miss out. Grab your Umite Chef Mixing Bowls set today. Click the link in the description to check current pricing and reviews. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and drop a comment. What's your biggest mixing bowl headache? I'll see you in the next one.